Welcome back to the channel. Right now I have this chart of Nifty 50 and I am really excited with you to share the current setup that the market is posting right now. Well, if you were to look at this previous move, it could really be labeled as ABC, meaning whenever C ends you would start to see an upward tick in the markets, and now I am of the view that we have completed some degree of intermediate correction at the lows of 21,964. So let's round it off to 22,000. So we have made a significant low of 22,000, and I am of this view that we might not break below 22,000. And if that is true, then we would really start to see an impulsive move on the upside on the daily charts. So let us look at the hourly charts to get a better view of what the market is doing. So if I were to go into the hourly charts, I could very well see that this 500 points of a move has a 61% retracement, which comes around 22,220. So I think those are the two support levels that I'm looking at, because from an hourly perspective this at 22,600 looks kind of overbought, and you would get some kind of opportunity for a pullback. So if you get that kind of opportunity wherein the market falls say roughly 100-150 points, that would be an excellent opportunity to add up long positions, which would make us believe that this is some part of internal wave 1, meaning that you might not cross below 22,000, and any move that you get towards this area of 22,200 to 22,400 is an excellent buying opportunity, wherein you would start to lead higher towards 23,000 levels. That is what I'm expecting. If I look at this resistance trend line, I could see that this has a resistive effect on the current market, and whenever we start to go towards there, we would start to see some kind of sell-off. Whenever we cross about 23,000 would mean that we have 80 to 90% probability that the entire bear move from 26,000 levels to 22,000 levels is over. We could say with certainty that this is over, but we don't have that kind of probability of 80-90% at these levels. I would say I think we have made a top with let's say 60 to 70% probability, but not more than that. I would start to bet on it with with trading positions once we start to go above this resistive trend line. A close above that would officially mean that we have ended this correction, and then we are heading towards 26,000 levels in a larger move in next 8 to 15 months is what my view on the market says. Well, as far as the short term levels are concerned, 22,300 to 22,400 is the levels I'm looking at to add up further long positions. Thank you.